Now, I want to know if you understand something. Because when you used to bridge light, thief water, go river go wash her, go river go bathe her, carry water from river go yard, go full up drum. And when you used to washing on the bath pan in the yard, when you come to America, you get a reality check. Them something on there, so. Them something on there, so you can't thief cable, so. You have to actually pay your cable bill. You can't thief light, so. You have to actually pay your light bill. The landlord have to cover your water bill. So a lot of people when you hear a complaint say, oh, everything is bills. It's because when you used to have the luxury to thief the light and thief the water and do all of these things at Jamaica, when you can no longer do here. Some people will come here knowing, say, they have to pay light, cable, water, rent, mortgage. When them people who used to do that at Jamaica come here, them find it easy to settle in. But the people that were normal, they never used to do it. They're going to find it very difficult because everything will become bills to them. Once you go through normal manly and sangster, everybody zero up. Everybody becomes equal. So you can't tell the difference between struggling Jamaicans, working class Jamaicans, and entrepreneurial Jamaicans. So you don't know who land in Canada, who land in England, who land in United States, it don't matter. You cannot tell who because, again, the airport level out everybody. Once you land in a foreign, you're now Jamaicans. No class, not there again. Everybody equal now. So because of that, people, everybody mixing, everybody live together, everybody feels say them and everybody up on the same level. Everybody feels say everybody have the same experience, which that is the furthest thing from the truth. So again, if you never used to pay these bills when you're at Jamaica, I used to find it easy. When you come and foreign, it not gonna be the same. You gonna have to pay them. So to the people who are complaining about bills, I understand you never used to pay it at Jamaica, and it was fine. But when you come here, you have to pay it. And if you don't have this big business, you know that definitely have to pay it. City tax, state tax, payroll taxes, CP have to get paid, your staff have to get paid, landlord have to get paid, light have to get paid, water have to get paid, garbage have to get paid. Everybody get paid. Now, after you cover all of the bills, then we're left for profit. It's standard right across the board. So, with that being said, I don't want to hear no more about bills. I don't want nobody to tell me about no bills.